Hey everybody, welcome back to Craps University. Today we're bringing out a completely new strategy to me, and it's for those people that want fast action, big hits, and the discipline to walk away a winner. This was submitted to me through a comment on one of my other videos. It's called Hit and Run, the fast cash buy bet system. If you're tired of grinding it out, watching slow place bets, this system might be for you. So the idea behind this is very simple. Target the most explosive payouts on the layout. That's 4 and 10. Payout on a buy bet is 2 for every 1 that you bet. So it's a really nice payout. Those numbers are a little bit harder than the inside numbers, but it's worth it. A lot of players ignore this just due to that fact. So you probably want to come to the table with about a $500 bankroll, which is right here. We'll set our bankroll right here, just so you can keep an eye on it. And it's very easy. You wait for the come out and a point to be established. Once a point is established, you buy the 4 and 10 for $50 each. And you'll need some change. And that is $4 because they'll round it down for the 50. They're not going to take $2.50 from you. All right, so that's that. In the demo that I'm getting ready to do, we'll walk through and see how it does. So on the first hit, if it hits the 10, you'll get $100. We pay the VIG up front, as I just explained. So you'll get that even $100. You'll press it up from 50 to 100 and have to pay a $5 VIG on that. So the VIG up front is less ideal than paying it on the payout, but that's life. On the second hit, if you hit the same number, the other buy bet, collect again, then color up and leave. So really, you're looking for 2 hits. And that's why they call this hit and run. You hit it and leave. If you 7 out, if the shooter 7s out before the number hits, you can try one more time for the shooter, but never more than twice. If you blank again, walk, don't chase your losses. If both numbers hit, you're basically doubled up, leave. Plain and simple. So press and profit is the cycle. Actually, you want a God roll and you want to just keep hitting this in that session. And we'll walk through some extras. So discipline's everything here. Never play more than 2 shooters without a hit. Always leave after 2 hits or $400 in winnings, whichever comes first. Now, if you're mid-session and you've already hit twice, you can keep going. That, to me, is kind of a given because you want to take advantage of that roll. So let's be real. The 4 and 10 don't hit as often as 6 and 8, but when they do, you're getting paid double. That's why you don't want to stick around and try doing this constantly, because it'll come back to haunt you. Let's do a live demo. I think that's best. So we're coming out. And 5, The point is 5. All right, pretty easy. You say, I want to buy the 4 and 10. You throw the dealer 105. That's a $2 VIG on the 4 and $2 on the 10. You get $1 change. All right. And we're rolling. And 6 the hard way. And 6 the hard way again, 2 in a row. And 4, there it is, first one. All right, we already paid the VIG. We're going to get $100, but we're going to press 50 to 100 now, and we're going to pocket the 50. And then you got to repay that VIG for the full $100. All right, we're rolling. And 4, back-to-back 4s. Sweet. So that is $200. 100 pays 200. We'll rack that up. And let's stay in it. That's your 2 wins. You could walk away right now with some money in your pocket, but let's push our luck. And 7 out. So that is the reason why you want to walk after 2 times. So not bad. Let's do it again. And 8 the hard way. That is for our VIG, which is 5% on 50, so we get $1 back. And we'll just rack that up and roll them. And 5, no field 5. And 4, there we go. Hitting 4s today. And that is going to pay $50 is going to pay $100. We press to $100. We rack the other $50, and we will pay the $5 VIG on $100. And let's go. And 7 out. All right, we paid that bet off. We're down 500. You're supposed to stop at this point, but let's do one more. This is kind of a fun strategy. All right, roll them. And 3 craps. And 5. No field 5. All right, kind of rinse and repeat, very easy. That's our $5 VIG, $1 change. And 8 came the easy way. And 5, that's the point. All right, we're coming out again. Our buy bets are off. And 4. Too bad they were off, but. And 8 the easy way. And 8 the hard way. And 9, center field 9. And 4, that's the point. And we're going to pay 100. We're going to press we will pay our vig and get back 21 in change. Actually, we will get 20 in change because that's $100. 5% is $5. $20. And we are coming out again. Our numbers are off. And 5. We have not hit a 10 yet. And 7. 7 out. All right. Not a bad little session. We should have been long gone. We extended it way too much. But I wanted to get some extra rolls in for this demo. I'm kind of a fan of this little strategy. $523 starting with 500. So we're still up 23 bucks, okay? This is a fun little strategy. That's pretty awesome. I'm gonna try this next time I go to the casino. If you're in Vegas and you're walking by a craps table, jump in for about, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes, see if you can walk away with some cash. Tell your significant other that you're just trying to win some dinner money. Yeah, excellent. I like it. So this is kind of, I call this a side hustle. This is not coming and grinding it out. This is jumping in, jumping out. That's why you call it hit and run. I also call this a side hustle for craps betting. Get in, grab some points, make sure you walk away with a win, or protect yourself if you have 2 losses in a row. Leave. I feel that this could be a real way to earn some money, but a lot of times when I go to the casino's a little dry for me, so I want to make the most of it. So I don't think I could just jump in and jump out. That's why I have to play a bunch of different strategies when I'm there. So this is great. This is fun. If you like what you're seeing, comment down below. Subscribe, click the notification, and there's more to come with Craps University. Thanks for watching.